Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this video guys, I will discuss the services that I offer right now to my subscribers, viewers, silent viewers, and visitor in my channel. Right now, I'm launching my Pomperada IT Consulting. So many of you know is watching my tutorial videos in computer programming, but most of the time I'm just teaching. But today I am opening an opportunity to everyone who would like to hire me as your IT consultant or computer programmer or software engineer. So I've been doing some freelance work for more than 20 years ago prior to my YouTube channel. So what are the services that I offer? Number one, computer programming. So I'm making programs depending on the client's requirements, programming assignment in school, software development. Number two, web development. Me and my team develop several web applications online using several technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and WordPress. So if you want to launch your business or your personal website or application online, just contact us. Okay, just contact me in my personal email address or visit in my website. And then the third one is IT consultancy. Various small and private individuals hire me as their consultant. What do? I give them direction if they have some problems in their software development, suggestion on what type of software to be used for their business, fixing problems internally, the workflow of their company or small business using information technology, give them some ideas how to resolve issues in their information technology infrastructure, for example. Next, computer tutorials. So in computer tutorials, I can teach a wide variety of topics, particularly in computer programming, web development, one-on-one tutorial on Office applications, PHP programming, JavaScript, Java, C++ in C. So I can be your mentor now if you hire me. Charges is based on by hours, very affordable and quick support. Next, mobile development. Me and my team also offers mobile development, so we can create a wide variety of mobile application for your business needs or personal needs. So thesis, capstone project, mobile type of application, so we offer also. Next, desktop application development. So we use various languages to develop desktop application like Visual Basic 6, Visual Fox Pro, MS Access, Visual C Sharp, or even PHP in visual application, VB.net. So what are the types of desktop application that we have developed? Information system, point of sale, accounting system, payroll system, grading system. So those are the example of applications that we develop. Next here, I'm also offering my services in software testing, manual testing of your application, documentation. That's as the example of software testing services that I offer. Next, technical writing. I already wrote several technical books, documents. So at present time, I already published 18 books, both as an author and co-author in various topics on information technology like computer languages, fundamentals of information system, information technology. And then we have also here my services if you are near in my place in Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, or online. I'm also offer my services in computer repair and maintenance, like reformatting, replacement or troubleshooting of problems, and support. And then lastly, I'm also offer my services in computer networking, basic networking, peer-to-peer, client server setup. So all these services I just offer in Pomperada IT Consulting. Here is my mobile number here in the Philippines if you want to reach out me. 0917-3084-360. It is Globe. I can immediately reply now with your inquiries. And then if you are outside of the Philippines, you can send me an email at jakerpomperada@gmail.com. Once I receive your mail or email, I try to immediately respond, with the use of my mobile phone, or computer. And then if you want to visit my websites, I have two, jakerpomperada.com, and then the second one is jakerpomperada.blogspot.com. You can also search my YouTube channel, Jake Pomperada, if you want to learn more about computer programming, information technology, and about life. Okay, so this is the end of my video of my launching, of my Jake Pomperada IT Consulting. I hope that you will try my services, quality service at a very affordable cost. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. Until then, this is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.